Hey guys, sorry there was someone distracting me outside, but welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Naninga. Welcome to this channel where we mostly talk about makeup, fashion and beauty and all the superficial things. Yeah, but basically my Aliexpress packages arrived.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, fuck everybody.
Yes, and they arrived like 2 weeks ago, I believe. I've just been postponing this video. I'm trying to see, the lighting is coming and going, if you guys haven't noticed. It's like the sun is shifting or something of the sort, and I'm not using a ring light. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of like shifting, but I hope you guys can see me. So basically guys, my packages arrived. Who know me and who have been following me on this channel, you know very well that I love AliExpress. I love shopping on AliExpress. They are very affordable. Jewelry, specifically this time around, jewelry, because I love AliExpress jewelry. It's affordable, it's cute, and it's, you know, lasts for a relative time, yeah, for you to use it for whatever purpose you're using it for. So I went on AliExpress and I got some jewelry, really affordable jewelry, but really cute. And let's just get into this video before I ramble. So yeah, let's start off with the earrings because I'm pretty excited for them. They look so cute, so adorable. And the first one I got is this lips earring. I mean, they look trashy a bit, but they are so cute. They're so cute. And I'm gonna be showing you a picture of how they were supposed to look vis-a-vis how they came looking, right? So let's kind of hurry up this video. And what I like about AliExpress earrings is that they're usually versatile, and I'm gonna show you the meaning of why they're versatile. As you can see, the lip part comes off, so you can just wear these lips as lips, but I prefer with the long chain. So the long chain is the one that has like the stopper, right? And there's also another stopper. See how cute? And it's so glitzy. It's just that I'm not using a ring light, so you can't see the glitz, but it's really glitzy, these lips, even the chain itself. So they are really cute. They were really affordable. I'm gonna link all the sellers in the description box below. I always link AliExpress sellers in the description box below, like, because their stuff is really cute and really affordable. And I always say, like, as a Kenyan, remember that AliExpress actually pays via M-Pesa. So, and by the way, I love the fact that when something is faulty, because I've ever gotten like a faulty product in the mail, they give me a refund. Like, I just had to apply for a dispute and they literally give me a refund. Doesn't arrive, you get your refund. Bora, you just do. And also guys, if you want a video on how to apply for a refund, want such a video, let me know in the description box, in the comment section below, and I will definitely do a video for you guys. Yeah, so this one is really cute. 10 out of 10. I'm loving them. And you can also put, you see the way it looks, the lip like that, you can also like combine it and then put it, and then they've provided another stopper, so you can also have something that looks like this. Okay, the next one are these ones that are just like novelty earrings. They resemble a bag, but I just thought they were cute. Maybe one day I'll need such a thing. Yeah, but they're cute. They're actually really cute. Yeah, they are cute. They're unique. That's the word. They're unique and they're cute also. So I did get this set also. And and they're a bit heavy because this is like metal. This is not plastic, this is metal, so they are heavy on the ear. They're cute. The fact that they're metal makes it even better because plastic looks really cheap. So they are really cute, and you can see they have like such a cute stud. So those are the earrings that I got. Did I get another set of earrings? Oh yes, I did. Now this earring came when it was faulty, so I did ask for a refund and they agreed to refund me. It was gonna be so cute. They were gonna be so cute. Just bougie, but still cute. As you can see, it came when the stopper had separated. This is the stopper, right? Had separated from like this. Doesn't have a, not the stopper, just the place where you put your ear, it had separated, but they were supposed to be like asymmetrical, and they were so cute. Like the package wasn't damaged, so it wasn't the carrier or something, so it was just probably the seller who sent me a faulty item. So that is what it would have looked like. So like a big giant G, they're just so bougie, and they were supposed to be asymmetrical, and just this. So I'm gonna insert for you how they were supposed to look, but right now they're broken. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it, but really cute either way. So those are the earring pairs I got this time round from AliExpress. Now on to the chains and stuff. I told you this was a jewelry haul, so I got a bunch of chains, really affordable. That's just what I love about AliExpress. So affordable, guys. Like some of these chains, you won't even believe the price, like legit. Okay, this one I repurchased. This was a repurchase. The one I had, I gave to my sister, my younger sister, as a gift. So I repurchased this one. And I liked it so much that I had to repurchase it. As you can hear, it's metal. It's not really plastic. And I don't know, my chains normally don't fade. So I don't know whether it's just the weather here, but the ones I get from AliExpress don't fade, or maybe I just don't wear them often, or maybe I don't sweat. Who knows the reason why? But it's just like vintage. It looks like 1920s flapper girl chain, something of the sort, but it's just layered. I can't stand all the way because I should look back, or just lower the camera a bit because I literally don't have pants. That's just the advantage of filming. Okay, don't imagine anything, but literally I don't have like trousers on. Okay, I have some shorts, but they are really too short. So this is how this one looks, and I think it looks cute. It looks good, especially for the price. I'm gonna insert for you guys the price right there. You guys won't even believe the price. You won't even believe the price. Yeah, that's why I always tell you guys, like, go check out AliExpress. After all, it accepts M-Pesa payments in Kenya. Like, why not? You don't have to transfer your money to PayPal or something of the sort, especially for things like chains. For certain goods like clothes, certain sellers don't accept M-Pesa. Not all sellers accept M-Pesa, but these ones that are linked in the description box accept M-Pesa. And they also are the same sellers on Alibaba. So if you want to start your business and stuff, you can just hit them up and tell them like you want the wholesale option. The next chain that I got is similar to the first one, but it's just a single chain. It's not multi-layered like this other one. And it looks like this. Just a single simple. I don't have a single simple chain, so I decided when I got all this from the same seller. These chains were from one seller. So, and I've ever purchased from that seller before. Now, when it came to that order, you have to be sometimes really careful on AliExpress, because sometimes they can send, you can order like 5 things from the same seller, and then the seller sends maybe 4 or 3 things. Don't accept that order without opening a dispute first. Like, don't accept that you've received the order without opening a dispute. Sellers can send you something, like maybe you've ordered 4 items and then they send you 2. So most of the time, don't accept that order, don't confirm that order. There's usually a confirm order button. Don't confirm that you've received the order without opening a dispute first. Because sometimes you can confirm that you've received that order and then the dispute page disappears for all the items. Yeah, so even if you try to like open that link, it doesn't open. But if you just like open the disputes first, and then now like explain yourself, like, yeah, I received the order, but 2 items were missing due to maybe the seller had told you it was sold out or whatever, because the sellers also send messages. There are people, they It's very rare to come across scammers, but they are there. But you see, AliExpress has a very tight refund policy. Someone can even think I'm being paid, but honestly, it does have a really, really tight refund policy. So most of the time, your money can't disappear. Yeah. So the chain looks like this. Just simple. I like it. It's really, really simple. I also got this wig off AliExpress. Fun fact. I know it's a crazy wig. Yeah, dreadlocks, but like seriously, I'll never get dreads in my life, so why not get a wig? Even the temporary one. I admire them from afar, but me generally, anyone who's been on this channel for long knows that me and salons and getting my hair done, I'm allergic. I have some sort of allergy to salons and getting my hair done. But I used to go to salons. The reason is because I used to go to salons a lot when I was younger. Like in my, oh my God, I didn't just do that on camera. Like in my 20s and also in my teenage years. And also as a child, like since I was a child, I was always in salons. Like, and when I was in my 20s, when I was in campus, like I was always in salons like every 2 weeks. So like, I'm kind of trying to save my hairline. Yeah, so yeah, this one I also got from AliExpress. Oh, we are not here about the wig. We are here for the I was telling you guys that entire story about the confirm button and opening the disputes is actually that this package was supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, but it actually came with 4. Let me just, the next one is this one. Looks pretty cute, like a Chanel model. But anyway, it looks very formal. In short, it's a formal chain that just has like fake pearls on it. This look like fake beads, not even fake pearls. But they are cute. Yeah, I just need somebody to tie for me because right now it's like I can't. But you get the picture. Now this one is the one I feel doesn't really look like the picture, but it's still good enough for the price. The price was basically meager, honestly. It was really, really affordable. But you can see, like, it does look like the picture somehow, but not completely like the others. The others look like the picture, but this one kind of still wear it. You know, sometimes you buy a good, like it's literally unwearable. That's what I don't like unwearable goods. No. The next thing that I got is a chain, a cute chain, but the chain I really, really wanted didn't come. Like the one that literally made me buy didn't come. I'm gonna just show you the one that didn't come. I was so sad. Because literally that's the one that made me place this order. Like that's the specific item. I don't know whether it was clickbait. Maybe it was clickbait so that you can order that item, but you know it's awkward for somebody to order one item, so you just decide, let me like buy 5 other items and then it doesn't come. Just imagine. Yeah, but anyway, I'm trying to open this one and it's refusing. Yeah, so this one is cute. Let me wear it, if I'll be able to wear it. What I liked about it, I'm sure you guys have ever seen like me with such a chain already from this seller, but I like that they added this butterfly detail and this chain. Looks gothish but cute, like, you know, looks like something a goth person would wear, honestly, like a cute gothy outfit, or like just something, I don't know. But oh, it's so cute. I like it. It even goes with this aesthetic, like this dreadlock wig or something. Oh, it's so cute. So I got this one specifically for this butterfly detail. The one I have doesn't have a butterfly detail. It's just hearts. Yeah. I did it myself. Yeah. Yeah. Who remembers that TikTok audio? Ah, that audio was so awkward. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is a star. This is not a cross. thank God, because I don't like touching like on anything religious. I feel like religious symbolism has too much weight. Sometimes it can even be mockery. So not everyone that wears a cross is like religious, like they could just be mocking God, you know. So I don't like any religious symbolism. This is just a star, cute star. Hey guys, I truly appreciate you. If you've reached this point in the video, give this video a talking is not my talent. So guys, basically if you've reached this point in the video, make sure to give this video a like. Don't leave the channel without giving this video a like, and make sure that you check out my other videos. I'm going to link a playlist either in the description box below. Make sure you don't leave this page without checking out the description box below, because I have all the sellers. I have videos that you'll also enjoy, and I'll also link a playlist for haul videos. And also comment what was your favorite item in this entire haul. For me, it's this one. As you can see, I've not even removed it. It just coincidentally came the last thing that I did, but this is just my favorite. Like, just tell me in this comment section which is your favorite thing that I got in this entire haul. And yeah, I appreciate you so much. Continue being your fabulous self, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, I'm only posting on Fridays at 8 p.m. East African time, but I used to post 3 times a week, and I'm slowly going back into that 3 times a week. Slowly, I'm gonna slowly go back to 3 times a week, but for now I'm just posting on Friday 8 p.m. East African time, and I'll see you in my next video.